Right, another little job that needs doing is a job that I hate doing and I really don't want to do, but I've got to do it, so just get on with it. It's removing this lip. So you've got, what is that? I want to zoom out. So you've got this here. Top part is what the mounts the bulkhead in. Top part bolts in, which is easy to get out. But sides and bottom, and then up that side as well, are welded in. Weld at the top, you can see that. They're sort of spot welds, and then down here, these are welded here. Now to do it really on the sides, you could probably do with getting a spot weld drill, but I've never done it with a spot weld drill. I've always done it with an angle grinder and a bit of a chisel, so we're going to do that. Hopefully it comes out alright. But yeah, set the camera up and give it a go, start getting it out. In this part I used an angle grinder with a flat disc on it to grind the welds down so they're flush with the metal or a little bit under. I then took a chisel and a hammer and knocked between the bracket and the B-pillar of the van to separate the part we wanted to remove from the van. On this lower piece I put a 1mm cutting disc in the angle grinder, cut through the weld as much as I could, and then just sort of move the metal back and forth to break the weld and break the join onto the van. Did this all the way along until it was free from the van. This side was very much the same, flat disc on the angle grinder, grind the welds down, a little bit more difficult to get in, knocked the bracket a little bit out of shape to get the angle grinder in, and then went in again with hammer and chisel just to separate the part from the body of the van. And that's it all cut out. Just got to grind these back now, cut these bits off, bit of paint on, and that's it out. I then put the flat disc back into the angle grinder, went over and ground all of the welds back flush with the body of the van, ready for paint. That's them cut out, and I've just got some primer. You can chuck some primer on the exposed metalwork. And that is that little job done. It's obviously all going to be covered up by the floor, so you'll never see it. So yes, it'd be nice to have painted it red, but it's never going to be seen. As long as it's protected, it doesn't really matter. Done.